Hi guys, a couple of more problems from section 6.2. Some of the students are concerned about. So the next one I'm going to do is number 11. So the question says to, of course, use calculate clustering to estimate the following sum. So we are adding the following numbers: 3 1/3 plus 3 1/5 plus 2 7/8 plus 2 7/9. Now, of course, you can obviously add all of them up and get the exact value, but right now I just want you to kind of try to see if you can estimate the value without having to actually work it out. I suggest you might want to go ahead and change those to, again, improper fraction. It may be a little bit easier, or you can just look at them like that. You can see, for example, this is almost like 3, because 1/3 is pretty small. This is almost the same value as 3, because 1/5, again, very small. So 7/8 is almost as big as a 1, number 1. So 1 plus 2 becomes almost same as 3. And also same thing, 7 and 9 close to each other, which means this fraction is almost 1. So if you add 1 to 2, you get 3, right? So each one are approximately 3. So you have 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. And of course, that gives you approximately, well, it actually gives you number 12, which is the approximation for our sum. So it was just a matter of manipulating the mixed numbers to try to see if you can come up with a quick approximation, okay? Okay, I hope that helps. Let me do the last one, number 17. Well, on this section, and then I'll do a couple of more in the another section in a minute. But right now, let me just take this one off. So the last question in section 6.2 so far is number 17. So number 17 is asking us to solve for x. So here's our first equation. I'll see if I can do both of them for you. Hopefully the video won't stop on me. So we have x plus 2 1/2 equals to 3 1/3. So this is a linear equation. Obviously, x to the first thing, I'm sure you remember in college algebra, you solve many linear equations, except now we have mixed numbers involved. Again, my suggestion is always change it to improper fraction. It's a little bit easier to deal with. So in this case, we're going to go ahead and change them. So this is 4 plus 1, which is 5/2. Also 9 plus 1, which is 10/3. So now we're going to subtract 5/2 from both sides to solve for x, isolate the x. So now we have x equals 10/3, and then of course minus 5/2. And the last thing to do is, of course, combine them to a single fraction. So